My name is Stella Mabel Tego. I used to suffer from headaches. The headache that had traveled me for almost 2 years. And then I was told by somebody that there is a headache clinic. I went to the headache clinic, and when I got there, the doctor examined me, and I was x-rayed. So many things were done to me as far as my head was concerned. I used to get these headaches during the night when I'm sleeping, but during the day it wasn't that bad. So when I went to the headache clinic to use the PMA, I got much better. I stayed for about 2 years using it, and I didn't have any more headaches until one day when my PMA broke. I came back to the clinic to have it repaired. It was repaired, and during that period when it was broken, I still felt I had no headaches anymore. But now, ever since I used the headache, I came to the headache clinic, my headache is much better. I think the headache clinic is the best. PMA is the best. Thank you.